welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is gonna be a fall decorate with me. It is falling for fall episode 3. If you are new here, I'm creating fall content all season long, so you definitely wanna subscribe so you don't miss any of these uploads. But I'm really excited because today's video, I feel like it's my personal favorite. It might be your favorite too. We are gonna transform this house into a fall cozy, I would say oasis, but oasis makes me think of the beach. It's just gonna be a very fall cozy vibe in this space, and I'm really excited. I have a ton of stuff. If you watched my previous videos, I got some inspiration. Well, we got inspiration together. We went shopping together for some home decor, and now it is time to put it all together and decorate the house. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you want to decorate with me, get some inspiration, see how I'll be achieving the fall vibe in my home, then please just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so Rob and the kids just left, so it's just us. Let me get the lighting right. I wanted to show you all of my fall decor. I'm obviously not gonna go through these bins with you all and show you piece by piece, but you get the gist. It's a lot of fall greenery this year. Some pillows, those pillows are gonna go in the playroom. Some pumpkins, decorative objects, lots of fun goodies in here. So let's go ahead and get decorating. I'm so excited.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama.
You guys, how cute are these little mini pumpkins that I got from Michael's? I got a lot of different things from Michael's after I filmed the shop with me. Sorry, but I found some good stuff and super affordable. They were like $5 a bag. I got 2. So I thought these could look really cute in that vase. So let's do it.
When it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good, all day.
Okay, you guys, I actually decided to switch out the pillow that was here. I felt like the brown was just a little bit too, I don't know, stark. And I just really like the dark green a lot better. I like the shape of this better. I feel like it adds a little bit more symmetry than having 3 square pillows, then only 2, and then a pumpkin. I feel like it's mixed match, but it still makes sense. So yeah, I switched it and I like this better.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it.
Okay, you guys, so it's actually a couple of days later, more like a whole week later, and I wanted to update you and show you what the house is looking like decorated for fall. I'm loving it so far. Let's start downstairs. So basically, this is what the dining room is looking like. I absolutely love the faux stems. We've got a little skull down here, and then I just have our fall pampas grass wreath. I feel like this really complements the space. Okay, and then moving on to the living room, you guys, this feels so cozy. Rob is actually out at Hobby Lobby right now getting more faux stems for here, but I currently have 3. He's getting 2 more, and I think it'll look better if it's a little bit more full. I added our pop of color, I can't believe I'm saying that on the channel, but a pop of color pillows to these accent chairs, and I think it just looks so, so nice. Yes, they're a color, but honestly, they're still pretty like tan, beige, brownie, like the rest of the house, so I feel like it blends in and it just looks really, really nice. So I added these faux pumpkins in here. Like I said, it's been a couple weeks. It was a lot fuller, but the kids like tossed these around, which I mean, honestly, whatever. Like you could still see it. I could very well go and get more. Then I just have like a couple little things up here, candle, pumpkin, super cute. Then if you come over here on the couch, we have our brown, black, and a little bit of deep like hunter green over there. Pillows, I think it looks nice. Love this blanket. This is a great Amazon find. And then the pumpkin pillow, I just think it looks really, really nice. Again, very fall. Obviously, you could tell that we actually got blankets for the couch, so it's kind of tucked in over there. Just trying to keep things easy on myself. It's so much easier to take those off and wash it. So yeah, that's new as well. I guess that's a little bit of a home update. And then my favorite is the sunroom. I'm obsessed with how this turned out. I love the brown pillows. We've got a white pumpkin pillow. We have a Halloween. I think this is supposed to have candy in it, so maybe I'll add that, but I absolutely love this decorative bowl. I feel like it's so cute. I added the pillows that used to be in the living room over here. Had to turn on the fireplace just for the vibe. And then I have these faux florals up here. I love the drama on this. It just matches and blends perfectly with the mirror up here, which I love. And then over here on this cabinet, I just added a candle and our faux stems. And I think this area looks really cozy, perfect, ready for fall. And then I just added some faux stems over here in the breakfast nook. I have the candlestick that I purchased like honestly a few weeks ago, and I've had it there, but to me, it still feels like fall. And then over here in the kitchen, we just have this tray with a pumpkin, a candle, some more faux stems. We have even more faux stems over here in this back corner. This is just like a little touch, like a little cute moment over there, and I love it. And also, I almost forgot this little entryway table. We added a pumpkin on top, of course. So then over here in the powder bathroom, I just added this little flower arrangement here and a candle, keeping it really simple and nice. And then in my office, I have these flower picks right now, but Rob, like I said, is at Hobby Lobby. He's gonna get some different ones, so I'll show you that in a minute. But we also added a pumpkin right here. Really, really cute. I didn't do too much in my office. I literally was working in here, so it's still a little bit messy. Just have a little candle there. I just wanted to keep it simple, little touches of fall without being over the top. Okay guys, so as you can see, Rob just got back and we got more flowers from Hobby Lobby. It's crazy because in the last video I said, oh, these are a ton of flower picks, like it's probably gonna be too much, but we actually needed more. So we have these florals. We have more of the ones that are in the living room. I just wanted 2 more to make it look a little bit more full. And then we have more of the dried eucalyptus. We have 2 of them. And then we have, I don't even know, I'm not familiar with what exact flower plant this is, but we've got another one of these. These 3 bouquets are going in the bathroom, so that'll be cute. And then we also got some candlesticks. So we got a ton, hold on. Okay, so we got a ton of candlesticks in these like very fall colors. Well, not the white. I just really like the design, like the twisted, I thought was really cute. They're super affordable, like $2. And I love this like beige tan color I thought would be pretty, as well as obviously this caramel like golden color that I think is nice as well. And then the black, I was thinking, I don't know what I was thinking. I mean, honestly, I was like, oh, this is just be cute. Like, I don't know where these are gonna go. So time to get creative. the smaller little ones that we had. Like these don't hold a candle in my opinion. I feel like these look way more expensive. They look way more like full and luxe and just, I don't know, it just looks better in my opinion. So this is why I say Hobby Lobby florals are top tier. Like I'm obsessed with this. Okay you guys, and the last place I decorated was the bedroom. But before you walk into the bedroom, we have a little pumpkin, just a little sprinkle of fall right here in the hallway. And then as you walk in, you saw that I switched out the stems that were over here to something that honestly is just very, very similar. I think this is really cute and simple. I didn't want too much in this space. And then if you come over here on Rob's side, I just added a little pumpkin, just a ceramic cream pumpkin to match with the tones that are already in our room. And then I have that same branch. I just got 2 of them and I put one over here. Again, just like very minimal and airy. This is obviously where we sleep and I like to relax. I don't want anything like too cluttered where I lay my head at night. I don't know, let me know if you're the same. Like I can't have like a whole bunch of chaos around me. And then I have this pumpkin down here. Again, very similar to Rob's side of the bed. It's just a different shaped pumpkin. Just a little touch of fall. I didn't want it to be too much. And then if you come over here in the glam room, I showed you that we added these branches in the corner. I think it's really, really cute. I might move the mirror over a little bit just so that the weight is evenly distributed up against this little wall. But if you come over here, we just have a little rattan pumpkin, like a basket weave pumpkin over here. I thought that would be super duper cute. And then over on our dresser, I just have two pumpkins over on this side. I think that's just like really nice. I love styling areas and working in threes and working in various heights. So you've probably noticed that all throughout this video, but I also have this floral arrangement over here and a little candle. So not too much in the bedroom, just, you know, just enough, just a little bit. And I think it turned out really, really cute. So if you come over here, actually in the bathroom, we have our dried stems that I literally just showed you. I just switched them out. I had green eucalyptus and then I just switched it out for a huge bouquet of maroon, like a deep red and a little bit of yellow in there as well. I think it's really, really cute. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it. That is all the decorating that I'm gonna do in this video. I think in either my next one or the one after that, I'll probably do the playroom, and I really wanna make that like a Halloween themed. So I really wanted to do something fun in the playroom for the kids. So maybe that'll be next. Let me know in the comments if this gave you some inspiration, if you decorated for fall yet, if you got some of these pieces and you plan on decorating them in a similar way, let me know. And yeah, you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And all of my fall decorations, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.